question. Today's topic will be, what was the Department of Justice and why was it created? Our first question goes to the Honorable Caleb. When was the Department of Justice created?
President Washington had the original idea of Justice Department, but it's not created until July 1st, 1870.
Our next question goes to the Honorable Mr. Sean. Which president created it?
Ulysses S. Grant after the Civil War.
Next, we want to know, who is the current Secretary of the Department of Justice?
William Barr is the United States Attorney.
Mr. Sean, what is the job of the Attorney General?
Prosecutes any cases that involves the government and advises the president.
Mr. Caleb, what does the Department of Justice do?
They enforce the federal laws of the United States.
Mr. Sean, why did the President start the Department of Justice?
It was originally created for one person and was a part-time job. But Ulysses Grant realized a growing need to deal with multiple law cases that involved federal government and law owners. Grant established the Justice Department to resolve cases that include taxes and land issues.
And our last question goes to Mr. Caleb. How does this impact the government and citizens today?
The government makes it easy to get in contact with them and keep up to date with them. I just want to say thank you to the Judge Nethery.
And that includes the Justice Department.